We are going to be unboxing the GoPro 10 Black, and in this situation it is the special bundle edition that comes with a case and several other nice things, including an extra battery, which is always nice. We have a 23 megapixel main camera, 5.3K at 60 and 4K at 120, which is really powerful. 33 foot or 10 meters of water resistance. It has voice control, 8x slow-mo, data overlays, time warp, 1080p live streaming, super photo, HDR, raw photos, and the very awesome hyper smooth 4.0 stabilization. The packaging is very thin cardboard, but it does have some pretty decent artwork on it. Personally, I think they did a pretty good job with it, considering that it is a special bundle. And the packaging also says that you need a micro SD card, which is sold separately, but in this situation, they sold me the micro SD card with it. There it is, a 32 gigabyte SanDisk Extreme micro SD card. Now this set comes with a miniature tripod, a gator clip, and an extra battery. And all the information you need will be on the bottom of the packaging, including an easy pull tab to remove the packaging. Lots of QR codes to scan to answer any questions you might have. Part of this special deal was to prepay for an entire year subscription to GoPro Cloud services, which they also have an app called Quick for it, which is really nice and very affordable, to be very honest with you. Outside of the packaging, the GoPro case itself really stands out. It is quite beautiful, to be honest with you. It feels quality. It also feels quite sturdy. Some of the material overlaps to help protect the zipper, and the zipper tugger is made out of thick rubber and feels good in the hand. Inside of the case, we have a mesh top where you can hold paperwork, and the spacers are made of cardboard. This is one of the drawbacks that I don't like about this case, but the contents are divided quite efficiently. Man, this case is stuffed tight. This comes with a very user-friendly instruction manual on how to access the GoPro, which I have made a video for already. It also comes with GoPro stickers and instructions on how to attach the GoPro to a helmet. I have already made a how-to video on how to use these slide-in clips. It comes with a USB-A to USB-C cable, 2 extra batteries, and a very sturdy alligator clip that is also swiveling and magnetic. I have also made a video on the how-tos for this clip. And yes, it is definitely magnetic on the bottom of the alligator clip. I also like the creative packaging for the tripod where it shows off the GoPro brand. This tripod can act as a handle if you're doing selfies, or it can be spread out and set on a table or wherever is a sturdy surface. The GoPro itself is wrapped around the outer edges with paper, and the lenses are covered with safety plastic. I introduced a quarter into this video to let you know exactly how large the GoPro is, and it's not large at all. It can fit in your pocket if you wished. On the top of the GoPro is a rubber button with a red circle, indicating that this is the record button or the shutter button that you would use to take pictures with. On the side of the GoPro is a power/mode button. On the back is a full touchscreen system, folding legs for the clips, and that is it, my brothers and sisters. Later.